Welcome to the river. If you follow this river upstream, you find lots of little tributaries that go to smaller streams, back to the source. The river is the earliest form of travel. We'd sit on boats and sail on the river. And the rivers go all the way back up, just like roads, over the land, back to each doorway, back to each letterbox. So each letter that comes from the letterbox and to the letterbox is like a vessel, like a boat. The flow of the river changes. When we listen to the sound of the river, we can hear different music, we can hear laughter, we can hear sadness. Let's follow the river. Let's follow the waterway. The water flows over stones, through the land, and gets filtered under bridges and flows down and back to the sea. And here we are at the sea. You can hear the sound of this small waterfall. In music it's said that water that is flowing with force and fast sounds in the key of F. Key signature F is related to the key signature C, which is said to be the sound of still water. The ocean is different to a lake. A lake is still and we can see the reflection of the sky. In German, a lake is a sea and an ocean is a Meer. And so comes the word maritime, the law of the sea, the law of vessels. And as the sun shines upon the surface of the water, it evaporates and goes up to the sky, forming the clouds, which then turn to rain and rain down upon the land, which filters them back in through the little streams that all lead into one, back into the ocean. And this cycle continues in the same way that the cars drive from the little doorways to the cities. And it's said, all roads lead to Rome. And as we flush our toilets and send water down the sewage systems, it arrives at the sewage plant where it's cleaned. This gets purified, turns back into water and sent back to our taps, into our houses, down the water pipes, pressurized. The river flows within you and through you. And the intentions and ideas and words are spoken and carried on the air as sound waves, or written as letters and carried on paper, on the ripples of a stream down to the waves on an ocean. If we gaze into the water, we can see our own reflection, our own image, reversed. Just as you see my reflection now on this camera, a reflection of me, my image, transported through the channels and streams, over the internet, over the wires and cables. Merely an image, a persona of who I really am, of who you really are. My intent, my words travelling through light, through sound, over this medium, from the source to the ocean, to the big sea of commerce. Remember the water remembers you. We should look after the water. And I'd like to leave you on that final note for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good time.